In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize the organization structure on Zoho People. Understanding your organization structure is really important, especially as your team grows. Zoho People gives you a clear visual way to see who reports to whom and how departments are laid out, so you can quickly understand relationships and chains of command. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what you're looking at, so you can confidently navigate the organizational views. Once you're logged into Zoho People, start by looking at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main navigation panel. From here, find and click on the tab labeled Organization. This section is dedicated to company-wide details, and it's where all of the structural information lives. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll slightly or check that you have the right permissions, because some views can be restricted by role. After you've opened the Organization section, you'll notice a set of options or tabs across the top of the page. One of these will be called Employee Tree. Go ahead and click on Employee Tree. This view is designed to show you the reporting hierarchy for your company. Typically, it starts with the top-level leader or leaders at the very top, and then branches down to managers, team leads, and individual contributors. Take a moment to explore this tree. You can usually expand or collapse different branches to focus on specific teams or individuals. This is especially useful if you're trying to understand who a new hire reports to, how a particular team is structured, or where a manager sits within the larger hierarchy. It can also help when planning approvals, performance reviews, or onboarding processes, since you can quickly verify reporting lines. Now, if you're more interested in how the company is divided by departments rather than by direct reporting relationships, you'll want to switch to a different view. At the top of the same organization page, next to Employee Tree, click on the tab labeled Department Tree. This layout groups employees by department, such as human resources, finance, sales, or engineering, depending on how your company is set up in Zoho People. In the department tree, you'll see each department as its own branch, which helps you understand how teams are organized across the organization. This can be incredibly helpful when you're trying to find which team handles a particular function or when you're mapping out cross-department collaboration. By using both the employee tree and the department tree, you get a complete picture of your organization, from who reports to whom, to how teams are grouped and structured inside Zoho People.